GM guys. I just want to show you what happened on ethusd today. So this was this week's candle. Starting analysis from last week's. We have the CLT. And the CLT was also rejecting off this FVG, the weekly FVG. Sorry. Rejecting off this weekly FVG. Yet. So after the close of last week's, okay, we're seeing this week after the close of last week low. After the close of last week, not last week low, we'll go to the daily fine things to look for a break or something. Break, engulfing candle, or this thing. Break, engulfing candle, or CRT. There was no break, there was no engulfing, there was no CRT. Yeah. Okay, this is where the break occurred. And before you knew it, they already hit the CRT low. Show this. Which was this. So if you're waiting for your conventional setup, you probably won't have seen anything. But because I was already expecting sales from BTC, like, and after I analyzed my BTC, I was already seeing sales because BTC gave an engulfing candle here. So I was like, she's going to sell, then it broke. And most altcoins follow what BTC is doing. So if BTC is selling, let us say it is going to sell. Then look at this candle. This candle is also similar to this candle here. If you ever check my previous post, I was expecting an entry from somewhere here. 1 hour, there's another block. 1 hour KO here. I was expecting an entry, but price did not get to where I wanted it to get to, so it was a missed entry. The same thing that's still happening there. So after this break, after this sweep, because this, if you go to your lower time frame, this will also count as your lower time frame inducement, something like that. So after the sweep of this candle, you can say this is CRT. You can say this is CRT because it swept close in between the range and it did not sweep the range, the opposite swing low. It swept swing high, closed within the range and did not sweep this low. So we could be looking for you can start looking for sales to sweep this low, potentially break this side and come to and head towards weekly low. Yes, it's all about how you react to market. It's all about how you react to market profiles and market trends. Just find what works. So let's get to it. After price rejected of this daily high, look for 4-hour break, 4-hour engulfing, or 4-hour CRT. And this is where engulfing. This is your break, and this was a CRT. CRT is also a key level. I just hope you guys remember. So after this CRT formed, I was waiting for price to come here, but price did not come here. It did not come like here because I was expecting price to come here since this is a breaker and it aligns with an FG. But price did not plan on using the breaker. It just tapped into the FG and just kept dumping. Then after I saw this break, I was like, okay, maybe price is not going to use here as a key level anymore. It has used the 4-hour FG, so I should start building my narrative from the 4 hour. So now we have a break. Price we have a break that was sponsored by this FVG. So now we're looking for entry from this from here. You get, well, price already swept the CRT low, so it was kind of, I don't know, 50 at this point. But let's just continue. After a sweep of that power high into the power FVG, created the break. This is the break. Created the break. After I created the break, he gave this 1 hour inducement, single candle inducement, something I've been so I'm studying this past few days. So now we know there's a break, there's an engulfing, right? And there's also an FVG. Just take note of all the key levels that are present in your analysis. Just is clear. Yet. So after price came into this after price swept the inducement, I was still expecting price to come here, but price did not come there. Instead, it swept the single candle inducement and formed an engulfing candle. So after I finish up that engulfing candle, I just wait to 15 minutes. Just go to 15 minutes and check what's up and look for where you can get an entry. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It formed an engulfing, gave a 15-minute break, and this one is just an aggressive entry, but you can just enter from here. This is using your 15-minute CRT, and just place the order here. So I don't know, 165.99. So entry here. Then target here. Looks complex, but if you actually have a set of predefined rules, you always cast this kind of move. I've always wondered how people always get to this kind of move on the T1 now. And I've always been confused because, like, why are you not waiting to hear? Why are you not using the extreme? Why are you not doing that? Why are you not doing that? Like, I always ask question. So of course you realize that people just react. They just the aim they go like the blueprint is to follow the market. Follow what the market do. Follow what, not what you think is going to happen, but what it actually does. Just follow it. And if you follow it, you get to where the diamonds are stashed. You get. So that'll be all for this ethusd. There was no way I could have gotten this entry if I was trading on a normal day, but well, this is Saturday and I've started my back testing session, so let's get this shit started. I'm going to actually do for BTC too because I could not actually get an entry on BTC. I could not actually get an entry on BTC after setting my entry, setting an order after price missed my entry at that 1 hour kill.